Let's introduce the low-speed centrifuge MK540, a biosafety centrifuge. Connect the power cord on the rear side. Press the power switch on the right side. The device enters the power on state. You can see a yellow arrow on the right side. It's the emergency switch. In the event of a sudden power failure or malfunction of the equipment, you can take it out. The door cover can be opened, and then we can take out our samples. Before using the centrifuge, we need to pay attention to the following matters. Open the door. First, we need to remove the protective foam. Keep the inside of the chamber clean and free of debris. Then we put our sample into the adapter. This adapter is special in that it has a cap removal function. If you are placing a 5 ml tube, just put it in through the green hole. If you are placing a 3 ml sample tube, we need to convert the uncapping adapter, that is, to change the direction. As you can see, the overall length changes and the 3 ml tubes can be put in. And then we'll put it into the hanging cups. Once it's in place, make sure it's symmetrical. Close the door when it's leveled. Press the start button to run. Next, let's take a look at the panel display. It is a full touch screen. At the top shows the rotor number. This is the rotor matches the centrifuge body. You don't need to change it, it is already designed in the factory. This side is the centrifugation time corresponding to hours, minutes and seconds. In the center is the centrifugal speed, and on the right is the centrifugal force. The up arrow here is the speed up, the down arrow is the speed down. At the bottom are the start, stop and open buttons. On the right is the program number, which is also set at the factory. So no need for additional adjustment. The centrifugal time can be set by pressing the button. When you press the number corresponding to the minute, enter the number you want and press OK to save it. The same applies to the seconds. Centrifugal speed or centrifugal time you want to fine-tune. It's also saved by clicking on it. Next, I will show you the running status. You can see that the set time now is 10 seconds. Tap the start button, you can see the speed in the center is increasing. The centrifugal force on the right is also changing. When the speed reaches the set value, the centrifugal time will start counting down. When the centrifugal time is up, the device will beep, and the value decreases further. When the speed is completely reduced, the device will beep to indicate the end of centrifugation.